Hi Corde, so nómh leróig mé live mar gheall Bileog Oibre a dó má áit chónaithe. So seo na topaí clúdóig mé nómh, so enam na háite túche nó cathair an deithníon dá chónaithe leat fána agus cadí na háisina tá mór himplairt. The facilities that are around you and will fibanna the counters, so I glart me out or fibanna sosialte. Call skull city compráid le the counter agus an nachrófa aon rud faoi the counter. So ag tasnú amach le enam na háite. So dumse tám sé imime chónaí I belás na gréine. So just caiitú a bheith cormach me out or I plus aru. The examiner will always be looking out for that one. It's a really easy one to pick up on. What I have done here is I've included the poem for the arus. So if your counter starts on a consonant, the aru will be there, M before a B, G before a C, etc. You could also say rugach agus tógach mé in onid Tommy Mahoney, and if your locality starts on a gota, then you will use in onid I. In éonach lei sin is féidir leat beidir bonús enam na háite a lua más mín leat sometimes that comes up. Tagan an tanam sin ó, so beidir go bhór sé an tanam sin ó seanú siúd. Counter túche, so tom sin machoni and with faoin tua. Be careful there. A lot of times people follow the rule faoin plus aru. However, because faoin ends on an N and tua starts on a T, you can't put an aru there. So tom sin machoni and with faoin tua. The dentals rule coming into play there. Tom áit chónaithe site I lár na túche. That's a nice use of the tishel ginadach and son. I lár na túche. Tua is buninchkanach and it sits in the second declension, so that's why it gets an I and an E on chinig and dira. You could follow that up with something along the lines of a counter cún savalta A. Counter is masculine, so cún and savalta would not get AH in those instances, and tá sé site idir X agus Y, so big smain of ní hagan an scrúdahor ó the counter, new beg sé tachto I bhd on counter, so you're going to have to explain whereabouts it's located as if you're talking to a complete stranger. Counter cabhrach and son, Tom sin machoni is stig sa chathair, sa plus H and son, Tom áit chónaithe site I lár na cabhrach. There you have the use of the tishel ginadach and son. I lár always puts the tishel ginadach in, it's a ré-vocal cohite, and chathair is in the fifth declension, so it ends on ACH. Nuair a hagan an tishel ginadach I bhaim. Is áit gionóhach bheover I, bhríomhar beover, gnóhach, those are the kind of adjectives that I would be using. Busy and lively. Áit is a feminine noun, so therefore you will put on a H and on both of those adjectives. Tá sé site imel nu I lár na cabhrach, or is broch faille na cabhrach it is a city suburb. And deithníon the áit chónaithe leat, so there's a couple of reasons there why you might or might not like your áit chónaithe. Tá áisna iontacha ann, tá nádúr an dúlra timpealam gach taobh, tá an rairc tíre go háling, so a couple of those there for the tua. And an taobh then you could have tá chóras má taistealaun, tá chóras umpar paibli mahaun, is áit iargúilte E, nu is áit ledránach I if you didn't like it. So some of those cross over and back there, whether reasons why you would like or dislike your áit chónaithe. Cadíad na háisina tá mór himplairt, so I would always have prepared a couple of ideas as to what you could say, just listing the examples of folklore that you have timpeall na háite ann, and I have a list of those: luata an chin, pork, cumanú clas gael, sé péal, tachtorna are all very common ones an chin. An bhfuil faibanna the counter, faibanna sosialte, cadí na faibanna sosialte the counter. So beidir go bhfuil, beidir nach bhfuil. I would always have prepared one problem. So má choníonn tú muoin túa, I would lua faiban bhrúscar beidir. Nu domar de go bhfuil tú ag marachtáil istigh sa chathair, beidir gur féidir leat sa ará go bhfuil trocht go henis ar maidin agus daoine ag dul ag an obair, nu ag fille sa tránóna an sin. Cobble the skull city compared to the counter. Again, this is important as the examiner will be coming from mightn't know your location or locality. So níl matach I bhad an skull seo or tá sé I bhad an skull seo. Fáim siab ó má bháthair nó ó má hismóirí ó má chaomhnóir. Tugann sé timpeall deith na méid arm tacht ar skull sa chár, leathuair an clig. Dahad no méid, so cibé fad a hógann sé contacht ar scoil buine úsáidas. Buine úsáidas an má scoile stoppan an bus las mu dem hiach is service áisiúil I. So again, service is buinninscanach. It's a very handy service. Domar de gadasíú sin a lua. Agus faoi dhearra an nachrófa aon rud faoi de cheantar sa. So this is a question in the Mochanílach. So I have a couple of verbs there used. So dathróing, thuirthing, yesóing, ceanóing. Even if this isn't asked, it would be no harm to have this prepared to show to the examiner that you are able to use the Mochanílach sa chanáchaint agus cabhraíonn sé sin go mór. So tá súla am go raibh sé sin cabhrach agus go dúrach sé sin cabhardíobh sé agus siú sé tuairt faoin Bileog seo.